Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle of stress, anxiety, or lack of confidence? Imagine if there was a key to unlocking your inner potential, turning these challenges into stepping stones for personal growth. Well, there's a powerful technique that can do just that, and I'm about to share it with you. But first, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more transformative tips. The anchoring technique in NLP. Step 1. Identify your desired emotional state. First, think of an emotional state you would like to access more easily. It could be calm, confidence, joy, or motivation. Choose a state that would be beneficial to you in challenging moments. Step 2. Choose your anchor. An anchor can be any stimulus you can consistently produce. It could be a touch on a specific part of your body, a word you say to yourself, or even a particular posture. Choose something discreet and easy to replicate. Step 3. Create the association. Now, it's time to create the association between your desired emotional state and your anchor. To do this, recall a moment when you intensely felt the emotional state you want to anchor. Relive that memory. Feel the emotions as if they are happening right now. At the peak of this emotional experience, apply your anchor. Step 4. Test your anchor. After creating the association, give it some time and then test your anchor. In a neutral state, apply the anchor and notice if you feel a shift to the desired emotional state. If it doesn't work immediately, don't be discouraged. This may require practice and repetition. Step 5. Use the anchor in real life. When you encounter a situation where you would normally feel stress, anxiety, or any emotion you wish to change, use your anchor. Over time and with practice, you'll start to notice a real shift in your emotional response to situations. Putting it into practice. Let's do an example together. Say you want to feel more confident in social situations. First, recall a time when you felt extremely confident. As you relive that memory, perhaps place your hand over your heart. That's your anchor. Practice this several times. Then, the next time you're about to enter a challenging social situation, use your anchor. Touch your heart, and let the confidence flow through you. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the stronger the association will become, and the more effective your anchor will be. So, are you ready to unlock your potential with the anchoring technique? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content like this. Together, we can explore the power of the mind to transform our lives.